Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. My name's Aaron and this is A-Rob's Garage. Today's video was taken when I was in the middle of this project and getting ready to fire the motor for the first time. If you've ever been in the middle of a project, you know how big of a deal that first motor start is. If you like this video, stomp that like button and please hit the subscribe button. That just motivates me to make more videos like this and bring them to you faster. All right, enjoy. All right, we're here about to test. This will be the first attempt in starting the Coyote swap in the 68 Mustang Fastback. Manny and I just set up the fuel pressure, so fuel pressure is set. Right now it's only showing a little over, just shy of 50, but when the fuel pump's on, it's running 55 pounds of fuel. Car's in neutral. Wiring looks a little mangled right now, but that's just for diagnostic purposes, making sure we got the right wires in the right locations. Okay, so we got battery. We already tested the starter motor. We know the starter motor works and turns over the motor. I think that is it, and we will go ahead and try to get it going. Oh yeah, the radiator coolant is full, oil is full, oil is primed in the motor already, so we should be ready to go. Where do you want to take it?